In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a habit tracker in Notion. First, open your browser and go to notion.com. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right and click it. On the sign in screen, choose the Google option, then select your Google account to continue. After a moment, you'll land in your Notion workspace. Near your workspace name, you'll see a More Options menu. Click that to open the workspace tools. From there, choose Templates. Templates in Notion are pre-built pages and databases designed to save you time. They come with structures, properties, and views already set up, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Perfect when you want to get started quickly. In the template gallery, click into the search bar and type Habit Tracker. You'll see several results. Select a Habit Tracker template that fits your style and needs. Today we'll use a simple one geared toward mobile, but any clean layout will work. On the template page, click Add to bring it into your workspace. Once Notion confirms it's added, click the template to open it. Now it's time to make it yours. Begin by modifying the fields to match how you track habits. Rename properties, adjust icons or colors, and update any example habits so they reflect your real routines. If the template includes frequency, tags, or goal fields, tailor them to your schedule and priorities. This quick customization helps the tracker feel natural, which makes it easier to keep using every day. Open the Habits section inside the template. This is usually a database where each row is a habit you want to build. Edit the names, add clear descriptions, and set any default values or reminders if the template supports them. Many habit templates also come with helpful roll-ups or formulas, so lean on those to automate progress totals or streaks without extra work. Next, switch to the This Month view. This filtered view focuses on the current month, so you can see only what you need right now. Confirm the dates and filters look correct and that your habits appear as expected. Finally, click New Page to create your next tracking period, typically a new month. Give it a clear title, like the month and year, and duplicate any layouts or properties the template suggests. Keeping each month in its own page makes it simple to review progress over time and spot trends. That's it. You've added a habit tracker template to Notion, customized it to your preferences, and set up a clean monthly flow so you can stay consistent and see your progress build.